Hey guys, welcome back to Tactical Expedition. Today I want to show you a weird problem that a lot of Porsches have. And look at this. So for some reason, seals right here, it turns green. And I don't think it's a mold. It's just a different chemical, I believe. Because down here, it turned green. Right there, it has a cutout. And on the top, it's all black. Then, boom. And it's not just limited to Taycan, but a lot of the Porsches that I saw on the forum have similar problems. So I don't know if it's due to the chemicals that they use or protection that they use on a Porsche, whether seals or whether stripping. Look at this. It has the exact cutouts. Now this part is all green. If you don't pay attention too much, you won't notice it. You know, it's not like a typical mold because this part didn't get affected and it's the same rubber. So it must have the finish or some kind of a chemical treatment that they used that causes this issue. And it's on all four seals. So I'll show you how I'm going to clean it and I'm gonna protect it in the front seat. And it ends pretty much here. But you can see some of the different treatment on that same rubber. So first thing first, we'll try to wipe it. As you can see, it doesn't work well. A little bit right here. Try to use these. Okay, so green color is coming off. So it is not removing as well as I would like. So what I'm gonna do is use a Clorox wipe. The actual green color is coming off. I'll just do one section at a time. Microfiber towel. So just work small part at a time and really get that wetness. See, you know it's working because it is green. Weird occurrence. Seen this on so many different Porsche forums. And I live in California with very little humidity. See, look at this. Already, as soon as I wipe it, that liquid seems to melt that green stuff. Wipe it with this. It's weird how everything starts from this line, even though this is one piece rubber seal. It's a labor intensive. That's the bad part. Wow, so everything's gone. And this Clorox wipe is not discoloring the seal, and there's no scratch marks or anything like that. And after everything is done, I'm gonna apply, this is a German product, shiny and will protect the seals. So rear passenger seat, everything is removed. I'm glad I found a solution for you guys. I've tried a lot of different products and finally found one. So let's do it to all four sides. So even though Porsche is an amazing high-end brand, these stupid problems arise. When I had Toyota, BMW, Mercedes, I didn't have this problem. Weird. Everything is removed. No green mold type. I'm sure it's not a mold. So I'm gonna open the door to let the seal dry up before I apply the protectant German product. Look at all those green chemicals or mold, whatever you call it. I removed them from the seal. This is a German product, seal protectant. So you have to shake it well. And it has a foam applicator. When you press it, it wets the sponge area. Like it's getting wet with the protectant. So I'm gonna rub this onto the seal. And I'm gonna go all around. Wipe it down with a microfiber towel. I'm gonna do it for all 4 sides. So I completed cleaning the green mold off of my Porsche Taycan weather stripping and apply this sealant, and hopefully it doesn't turn green, but once it does, I'll do an update video. Please subscribe and like my videos. Thank you for viewing my video and see you on the next one.